Congratulations, you've successfully delivered a delicious meal. But the mission's not over yet, soldier. Now it's time for the crucial burping stage, where we coax those trapped air bubbles out of your little one's system. Think of it as defusing a tiny, adorable time bomb. Gentle pats on the back, a little over-the-shoulder action. Whatever works to get those burps out. Just be warned, this part can get fragrant. But hey, consider it a badge of honor. A smelly testament to your dedication as a dad. Okay, feeding time is over, you've earned a break, but not so fast.